So today in this screencast, we're going to be going through our Sprint 1 review and just kind of going through the different user stories and just showing our progress and what we've completed so far. So for this, we're going to be going through each of our three user stories for this sprint, which is setting up the Salesforce website, creating the database schema, and creating the navigation structure. So to start off, we're going to go over the setup for the Salesforce website. And for this, we had two acceptance criteria: was that each member would be able to log into a singular account and be able to provide login details, and that when the time would be to turn this over to the Athens area habitat, they'd be provided the information as well. So as you can see here, we are currently using Aaron Phillips's account. We just decided to use his account, and in order to not overlap with one another or create issues in the data, we decided not all to be on here at one time. Really just kind of communicate with each other and make sure that only one person on the account at one time. As you can see here, we also have this customized. We also have it to where this is for Athens area habitat for humanity as well. Moving into our next user story, which is going to be the database schema. We took the model that was given on ELC, provided that was the domain class diagram, and basically imported that into our schema builder. So as you can see here, we have the household, affiliation, organization, address, and constituent classes, and those are all implemented with the correct lookup relationships as well as the correct attributes for each one of those. And this is exactly what's reflected in the domain class diagram, like I said before. And also, important thing to note is that these are in third normal form, which means there's no many-to-many relationship as well. Now, moving back to the home page, our third one is to create the navigation structures, which is mainly just creating the tabs in order for easy access to the important data. So up here, as we can see, we added reports, dashboards, households, organization, constituents. We didn't feel the need to add affiliation or address, mostly because those are association relationships. We didn't figure they were necessary to add as tabs for the employees to use. Which within each one of these, there is no information currently. We have not uploaded, but when the data will be imported, you will see the records for each one of these listed out. And the same goes for the dashboards and reports. There's no current dashboards or reports. Once we get to that, and I think it is Sprint 3, they will be up here. But for the time being, this would be the general layout of what these pages would look like. And so for the acceptance criteria, we mainly just wanted to have these specific tabs up here, as well as this home page. We wanted the home page to be user-friendly for the moment, but once we get more data in, we might play around with the home page a little bit more. So overall, the sprint went very well. We felt that in these circumstances that we did very well communicating with each other, working together. We felt that the progress we made was very good, and overall we're very proud of what we've presented so far today. So we're working towards our next sprint next week. So thank you.